everyone, welcome back to Fun with Nails. My name is Tina. Thank you for joining me, and as you can see, it is that time of the month again. We are doing the Color Play subscription box by Color Street. So this is the subscription box for May, and if you don't want to see what's in this box, then this is your chance to shut off this video and come back and watch it later once you get your box, if you haven't received it yet. So the only thing that I have done is I have broke the seal. I have not opened it yet, so I do not know what's in the box as of yet. So let's get into it. Again, this is your last chance to turn off this video before I open this box. So here we go. So first thing, I'm going to take this out and turn it over. And I'll take the strips out, take this little card out. And this is just the prep pad and nail file that come in each box. And let's look at the price first. Ooh, what is this? Let me set the box off to the side here. Bamboo coasters. Okay. Something different and something we definitely use around our house. So these are bamboo coasters. Oh, they're a little hefty as well. And they say Color Street on them. Very cute. Okay, next we'll get into the strips. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full sets of strips. 1, 2, 3, yep, 5 sets of strips. Okay, so here's the first one. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so this is called Floral Notes. Now I can't tell, I'm assuming it's, well, it's not a glitter, but it's kind of like a dip. Okay, that's cute. We'll look into the pamphlet in a little bit. Next, okay, ooh, this is kind of cute. Okay, so it's a green, and it's kind of got that kind of shimmer, kind of a golden shimmer to it. Very neat. And this is called Matcha. Next, ooh, another looks kind of like a dip, but there's no glitter. And can't tell if that's, I don't know. Can't tell if that's sheer on the end or not. This is called Raspberry Tart. Okay, it's really cute. Okay, let's put this one kind of with that one like that. All right. Not quite seeing a color story type thing here. Okay, next. Ooh, looks like an overlay. A glittery overlay. This is called Champagne Fizz. Okay, it kind of has a champagne sugar type look to it, but it's much more packed than champagne sugar was. Very cute. Ooh, okay. This is called Lychee Rosé, I believe it's pronounced. And it looks like it's the same color as the middle of this one. Okay, those are cute. Very cute. I like that there's a glitter in here. Okay, let's see if we can figure out what's going on here. because this one is using just this one. I don't know, it doesn't look like it's kind of like a clear, like a glitter dip would be. It's almost got kind of, I don't know, it's tough to say. Same with this one. They don't look like they're clear. Okay, let's see if it says on the back here. Okay, floral notes. 2 sheets of 8 fingers. Savor these golden tips with an orchid patterned shimmer dip. So they're calling it a shimmer dip. Okay. Lychee Rosé, 2 sheets, 8 fingers, or 8 finger strips. A sweet shimmery coral that's bold and refreshing. So this is this is a darker coral than the pinky coral, that coral, oh, I can't remember the name of it. Matcha. A blast of rich matcha green with luxurious gold shimmers. Champagne fizz. Pour yourself a glass of bubbles with a gold glitter clear overlay. Raspberry tart. Delight in this sweet light raspberry shimmer dip. So yeah, they don't look like they're clear like a regular glitter dip would be. Have to test them out sometime here. Maybe my next video I'll be testing some of them out. Maybe we'll just take the tiny pinkies and test them and see what they look like. Okay, so that's all I got on this one. And I hope you enjoyed this short little video opening my subscription box, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.